The art of making a marionette doll, a traditional puppet controlled by strings, is a captivating and intricate process. This script delves into the step-by-step method of creating a marionette, highlighting the craftsmanship and creativity involved. Materials needed: wooden blocks or clay string or fishing line paint and brushes, fabric for clothing, glue and scissors, drill and small screws, crafting tools, knife, sandpaper, etc. Step 1. Designing the doll. Begin by sketching your marionette. Decide on the character's appearance, including its size, shape, and features. This will guide you through the construction process. Step 2. Sculpting the head and body. Carve the head and body from wood or mold them from clay. Ensure the head is proportionate to the body. Detail the facial features carefully, adding personality and expression. Sand the surfaces smooth. Step 3. Creating the limbs. Carve or mold the arms and legs separately. Ensure they are jointed at the shoulders, elbows, hips, and knees for flexibility. Attach small screws at the joints to connect the limbs to the body. Step 4. Painting. Once the parts are shaped and smoothed, paint them. Use vibrant colors for the face, adding details like eyes, lips, and eyebrows. Paint the body and limbs in a way that suits the character's design. Step 5. Assembling the marionette. Assemble the parts by connecting the limbs to the body using screws or strong glue. Ensure that the joints move freely. Attach the head to the body securely, allowing it to pivot if desired. Step 6. Stringing the marionette. Drill small holes at strategic points: the head, hands, feet, and shoulders. Thread strings or fishing lines through these holes, securing them with knots. Attach the other ends of the strings to a control bar. The number of strings can vary, but typically 8 strings provide good control. Step 7. Dressing the doll. Sew or craft clothing for your marionette. Use fabric that matches the character's style.